a great choice today with the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, Sirius Satellite Radio, remote keyless entry, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.